And people won't believe this shit. There's my orb that just sits there. It's blinking. You can see it, right? You see it? It just sits there. It's the same one.
Now it's
Sits
moving
there
away.
every night.
Because the other thing was approaching it. It's moving away.
Is it moving? I don't
Yeah,
see
it's
it
moving towards
much.
us. They were in perfect alignment. This one moved up. The one that was on the east side moved.
Well, the bottom one went away. I don't know what
Well,
blinker
the bottom
dude's
one was
doing.
headed towards the one that's up now that's moving.
There's bottom one. Up one's going. Where's the up one go? Where's this one going? Let's see if I can zoom in on it.
Yeah.
I can't really zoom. I lose it. Hold on.
Oh, down by the tree.
Yeah, I got him. See it? I just can't get. I can't get too zoomed in.
I'll make you an observation deck on top of the RV since there's a ladder.
Oh, look, I got Blinky.
You want to get on top of the RV? I'll boost you up onto the ladder.
No, I'm cold. I'm sicky. My face is melting off. Mr. Blinky Orb, I'm gonna sit here. This is the guy that sits here all night. And I don't know, somewhere around midnight he goes home, I guess. I don't know what he's doing now, but I'm gonna zoom out so you can see he's just kind of sitting back there. I got another one to the right in the tree here. You see it? Let me see if I can. There it is. It's down lower. See it?
Yep.
It'll probably get curious as to what the hell that thing is and check it out. I don't know.
It's moving fast.
It is. That one's going way faster.
You see that one? The blinking one going?
That's the same one that's going off. It's going elsewhere. I don't know where, but it's going elsewhere right there. See it? Oh, see the thing to the left that's just flashed?
Mm-hmm.
That just came out of nowhere. What in the world? Okay, this one's taking off to the right. That one's taking off to the left. Oh, that's our drone guy. This one down here is our drone guy. He's back for another lap. Look.
Probably taking pictures of those things.
Yeah, I think he gets curious. He goes over. He checks that out.
But that's spooky. Going up that way. 45-degree angle.
Yeah, it's gone. Whatever it is. And then this drone thing's back. But that thing is still up there. There it is. Blinky dude. There goes Blinky dude. There's Blinky dude, look. We don't know where we're going, but we're taking off. Oh, he's gone. Oh wait, no, tree. He's behind this tree somewhere. Let's see if he pops out. I think I got a blink out of him. Somewhere back there. Ah, there he is. He's up there. Near the top. He's headed over this way. There he is. He's through the trees right there. See that little opening? Now he's just sitting there. Oh, there he is. I'm getting him through the trees. I'm seeing him like live, but I can't see him through. He'll come through this opening here. I don't know where it's going, but it's going. And there he goes. He's like under the... See him there? He's going on this side. He's going this way now. I don't...
Why are you bumping me?
I didn't mean to bump you. I was trying to go left.
Rather forceful. I thought you were trying to tell me to get the hell out your way. I was like, you could have just said that.
No, honey.
Ain't that serious?
I'm sorry. No, I just couldn't see you. And this thing took off. It's right there. Oh, and here's our drone back. It's in the tree too. I think it has audio now. Yep, listen.
Yeah, I can hear it. I'm going inside left.
Okay, I am too. It's cold.
It is. I'm so cold.
Mm-hmm.
Caliente. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're really cold.
I'm waiting for this thing to pop out. There it is. One behind me.
Oh, yeah. Low.
Here we go. Here's this one. Look. I don't know what it's doing, where it's going, but it's the same circly guy, I think. And then you said there's one behind me?
It's gone now. It was low in the tree line. Oh no, you can kind of see it. Through the middle of the trees there, see? Probably ain't gonna catch it on camera.
No.
It's too faint and far.
That one was zipping through here like crazy.
Yeah.